So we've come along to the Nikwax stand, who I think do specific products purely for ski jackets, right?
Yeah, well, ski jackets and outdoor jackets and waterproof jackets.
Okay.
I mean, I've used Nikwax for years as a product, so I do know it a little bit. I don't know how it works. Not all the details, not all the techie details, but it does work. And I mean, obviously the first rule is, don't use the washing powder you buy in the supermarket.
Right.
Even the non-biological stuff, because it will damage the waterproofness of a ski jacket, basically. I mean, ski jackets are quite expensive, aren't they? Really?
Yeah, quite an investment, so you don't really want that money just sort of go out of the window in the first wash.
Right, exactly. And the important thing, and also with Nikwax, they basically, it's really easy. The green one here is a wash. That's just a tech wash. So that would be suitable for, say, a shell jacket, ski jacket. And then the purple colours are the proofing afterwards. And there's different types of proofing. You could proof with a liquid back in the machine again. You could wash the proof in if you like. This is a down proof, but you can get, a proof for a normal ski jacket as well.
And when you say proof, what
so
does that mean?
it's waterproofing
okay.
the jacket, basically.
Okay.
We're not going to go into all the technical details and the mumbo jumbo of how that all works, but the washes the jacket, but it doesn't wreck the jacket, basically.
Okay.
The proof reproofs the jacket, and so you've got that waterproof quality back in again.
Okay, so I've got a ski jacket. I put it in the dishwasher. I put it in the washing machine.
Could put it in the dishwasher.
Probably wouldn't work quite so well. I put it in the washing machine, and then I add this green one, right?
Put it in the washing machine and add the green one.
No detergent, nothing.
No.
And then if I want to re-waterproof it, I would add one of these.
Yeah.
Afterwards.
Can also spray waterproof. Nikwax do a spray as well, so you don't have to wash it again. You can use the spray. Some people prefer the wash. Some people prefer the spray.
Personal preference.
But yeah, really important if you've got a ski jacket. I mean, I wouldn't say I'd wash my ski jacket every time I use it, obviously.
Yeah.
But maybe after a week of use, it might need a wash.
Maybe sometimes.
Maybe sometimes. So there we are. Don't use normal detergent. Use a product like Nikwax.
And where can you get these?
Well, most outdoor shops would sell a product, would probably stock Nikwax. I mean, it is, it's one of those brands that obviously is a major brand, well-known brand. So most outdoor retailers would stock it, and ski shops would stock it as well.